Run. Run.
Hello!
You know whenever you lift up baby sharks and you go like, well, I see a cute little baby over there. Wait just a second.
Oh my gosh. What are you laughing at? Nothing, man. I'm just reading about how all these people are saying it'd be so difficult to break into Area 51, but they have no idea how hard it was for me to break out of Area 51, you know? I guess you're right. Wait, what?
I challenge you to see how long you can't blink for. It's kind of like the staring challenge, but anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Now, oh. You're feeling it, aren't you? Your eyes are starting to dry up. You want to blink, but you're not going to blink, but you are going to blink. You should blink. I'm going to beat you. Oh my God. Oh, I'm doing pretty well. You lost. Haha. Oh, I'm still doing it. Oh, I'm still doing it. How you doing? You can't beat me, honey. You can't. This can be a whole minute. A whole minute. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh, I blinked.
Damn it. It broke. Hey, son, will you go out to the car, grab my tool? It's right under the sunglasses holder. Huh? Oh, yeah, sure. I'll go grab it for you. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. All right, sunglasses holder down. Oh, no, that's really fun.
Swanty!
Started when Bonnie denied me my sinus-like immortality. Of course, because Catherine Pierce can't be happy with good old vampire caliber immortality.